Topic name IS code assignment, building, subject name building materials, subject code CNEGPC 03. Name Anime Sky. First, Indian Standard Code. IS code for Indian Standard Code is existing in India to verify and authorize every aspect of civil engineering aspect in the country. These codes are used on different occasions based on the nature of the work and the engineering projects. IS codes simplify the process of identification of any engineering project, be it a road, steel plant, or underground construction. From professional engineers to a student, everyone utilizes these codes in a various points in their life. Indian standard codes are list of codes used for civil engineers in India for the purpose of design and analysis of civil engineering structure such as building, roads, dams, railways, airports, etc. Indian Standard Code list in civil engineering. This list of IS codes we categorized as per the different methods and materials which is used in civil engineering. IS code for cement and concrete. Serial number 1 IS code IS 269 1989 title Ordinary Portland Cement 33 gauge specification. Serial number 2 IS 383 1970 specification for coarse and fine aggregate for use in mass construction. 3 Serial number 3 IS code 455 1989 Portland slag cement specification. IS code 4 456 2000 code for practice for plain and reinforced concrete. Serial number 5 IS code 457 1957 code for practice for general construction of plain and reinforced concrete for dams and other massive structure. Serial number 6 IS 516 1959 methods of test for strength of concrete. Serial number 7 IS 615 1991 specification for standard sand for testing of cement. Serial number 8 IS 1199 1959 methods of sampling and analysis of concrete. Serial number 10 IS 1344 1981 specification for calcaline clay Porjona. 11 IS 1489 part 2 1991 Portland title Portland Porjona cement specification calcaline clay based. Serial number 12 IS 489 part 1 1991 specification for Portland Porjona cement part 1 fly ash based. Serial number 13 IS 727 1969 methods for tests for pozzolanic materials. IS code 14 1986 part 1 1963 tests for aggregates for concrete. Serial number 15 IS 2386 1963 part 2 methods of test for aggregates for concrete part 2 estimation deleterious materials and organic impurities. Serial number 16 IS 2386 1963 part 3 methods of test for aggregates for concrete part 3 specification gravity specific gravity density voids absorption and bulky. Serial number 17 IS 2386 1963 part 4 methods for test for aggregates for concrete for mechanical properties. 18 IS 2386 1963 part 5 1963 methods of test for aggregates for concrete part 5 soundness. 19 1986 1963 part 6 1963 methods for test for aggregates for concrete part 6 measuring motor making properties of fine aggregates. Serial number 20 IS 2086 1963 part 7 1963 methods of test for aggregates for concrete part 7 alkali aggregate reactivity. 21 IS 2386 1963 Part 8 1963 Methods of Test for Aggregates for Concrete Part 8 Photographic Examination 22 IS 2430 1986 Methods for Sampling Aggregates for Concrete 23 IS 250 2502 1966 Code for Practice for Bending and Fixing of Bars for Concrete Reinforcement 24 IS 2645 2003 Specification for Integral Cement Waterproofing Compounds Serial number 25 IS 2770 1963 Part 1 Methods of Testing Bond Title Methods of Testing of Bond in Reinforced Concrete Part 1 Pull Out Test Serial number 26 IS 3085 1965 Method of Test for Permeability Cement Mortar and Concrete Serial number 27 IS 3370 2009 Part 1 Code for Practice for Concrete Part 1 to 4 Structure for Storage of Liquids 23 IS 3370 2009 Part 2 Code for Practice for Concrete Structure for Storage of Liquids Part 2 Reinforcement Concrete Structure 29 IS 3370 2009 Part 3 Code of Practice for Concrete Structure for the Storage of Liquids Part 3 Pre-stressed Concrete 30 IS 3370 2009 Part 4 1963 Code for Practice for Concrete Structure for the Storage of Liquids Part 4 Design Tables 31 IS 3466 1988 Specification for Masonry Cement 32 IS 3535 1986 Method for Sampling Hydraulic Cement 33 IS 3558 1983 Code for Practice for Use of Immersion Vibrators 34 IS 3812 2003 Part 1 Specification for Pulverized Fuel as Part 1 for use in porzolana cement mortar and concrete 35 IS 3812 2003 Part 2 Specification for Pulverized Fuel as Part 2 for use in admixture in cement mortar and concrete IS 4031 Part 1 1996 Method for Physical Test for Hydraulic Cement Part 1 Determination of Fitness by dye sieving 37 IS 4031 Part 2 1999 Methods for Physical Tests for Hydraulic Cement Part 2 Determination of Fitness by the Specification Surface of Blend Air Permeability 38 IS 4031 Part 3 1983 Methods for Physical Tests for Hydraulic Cement Part 3 Determination of Soundness Next 39 IS 4031 Part 4 1988 Methods of Physical Test for Hydraulic Cement Part 4 Determination of Consistency of Standard Cement Paste 40 Serial number 40 IS 4031 Part 5 1988 Methods of Physical Test for Hydraulic Cement Part 5 Determination of Initial and the Final Setting times 41 IS 4031 Part 6 1988 Methods of Physical Tests for Hydraulic Cement Part 6 Determination of Compressive Strength of Hydraulic Cement other than Masonry Cement 42 IS 4031 Part 7 1988 Methods of Physical Tests for Hydraulic Cement Part 7 Determination of Compressive Strength of the Masonry Cement 43 IS 4031 Part 8 1988 Methods of Physical Test for Hydraulic Cement Part 8 and Determination of transverse and the compressive strength of plastic mortar using the prism. Serial number 44 IS 4031 Methods of Physical Test for Hydraulic Cement Part 9 Determination of Heat of Hydration. Serial number 45 IS 4031 Part 10 1988 Methods of Physical Test for Hydraulic Cement Part 10 Determination of Drying Shrinkage 46 IS 4031 Part 11 1988 IS 4031 Part 11 1988 Methods of Physical Tests for Hydraulic Cement Part 11 Determination of Density 47 IS 4031 Part 12 1988 Methods of Physical Tests for Hydraulic Cement Part 12 Determination of Air Content of Hydraulic Cement Mortar 48 IS 4031 Part 13 1988 Methods of Physical Tests for Hydraulic Cement Part 13 Measurement of Water Relativity of Masonry Cement 49 IS 4031 Part 14 1989 Methods of the Physical Test for Hydraulic Cement Part 14 Determination of Fault Set IS 50 Serial number 50, IS 4031, Part 15, 1991, Methods of the Physical Test for the Hydraulic Cement, Part 15, Determination of the Fitness by the Wet Sieving. Serial number 51, IS 4032, 1985, Method of the Chemical Analysis of the Hydraulic Cement. Serial number 52, IS 4305, 1969, Glossary of the Terms relating of the two Porozona. 53, serial number 53, IS 4634, 1991, Methods of the Testing Performance of the batch type concrete mixer. 54, IS 4845, 1968, Definition of the terminology relating to hydraulic. 55, serial number 55, IS 49262003, 2003, Ready Mixed Concrete Code of Practice. Serial number 56, IS 5512, 1983, Specification for Flow Table for use in test of hydraulic cement and porzolic material. Serial number 57, IS 5513, 1996, Specification for the VCAT apparatus. 58, IS 5514, 1996, Specification of apparatus used in last SLR test. IS 5515, 1983, Specification of the compaction factor apparatus. Serial number 60, IS 5516, 1996, Specification for the variable flow type air permeability apparatus, Valiant type. 61, IS 5525, 1969, Recommendation for dealing of the reinforcement in the reinforced concrete works. Serial number 62, IS 5536, 1969, Specification of the constant flow type air permeability apparatus, Lee and the Nurse type. Serial number 63, IS 5816, 1999, Method of test for the building tensile strength of concrete. 64, IS 6452, 1989, Specification for high aluminium cement for the structural use. 65, IS 6461, Part 1, 1972, Glossary of Terms relating to cement concrete, Part 1, concrete aggregates. 66, serial number 66, IS 6491, 1972, Methods of the sampling fly ash. Serial number 67, 6909, 1999, Specification for super sulfated cement. Serial number 68, IS 6925, 1973, Methods of test for determination of water soluble chlorides in concrete mixture. Serial number 69, IS 7246, 1974, Recommendation for use of table vibrators for consolidating concrete. Serial number 70, IS 7320, 1974, Specification for concrete slam test apparatus. Serial number 71, IS 7325, 1974, Specification for apparatus for determining constituents of the fresh concrete. 72, serial number 72, IS 7861, Part 1, 1975, Code for practice for the extreme weather concreting, Part 1, Recommendation practice for the hot water. 73, IS 8041, 1999, Specification for the rapid hardening Portland cement. 74, serial number 74, IS 8042, 1989, Specification for white Portland cement. IS serial number 75, IS 8043, 1991, Specification for hydrophobic Portland cement. 76, serial number IS 8112, 1989, Specification for 43 grade ordinary Portland. 77, IS 81, serial number 77, IS 8125, 1976, Dimension and materials for cement rotary kilns, components and the auxiliaries. Serial number 78, IS 8142, 1976, Method of test for determining the setting time of concrete by penetration resistance. 79, serial number 79, IS 8229, 1986, Specification for oil cement. 80, IS 8425, 1977, Code for practice for determination of the specific surface area of powders by air permeability. Serial number 81, IS 9012, 1978, Recommended practice for shot grading. 82, serial number 82, IS 9013, 1978, Methods of mixture making, curing, determining compression strength of accelerated cured concrete test specimens. 83, serial number 83, IS 9103, 1999, Specification for admixture for concrete. 84, serial number 84, IS 9142 1979 specification for artificial lightweight aggregates for concrete masonry units. 85, serial number 85, IS 9284 1979 methods of test for abrasion resistance of concrete. IS serial number 86, IS 9376 1979 specification for apparatus for measuring aggregates crushing value and 10% fineness. 87, serial number 87, IS 9377 1979 specification for apparatus for the aggregate impact. 88, IS 9399 1979 specification for apparatus for flexural testing for concrete. Serial number 89, IS 9459 1980 specification for apparatus for use in measurement of length, change of hardness cement paste, mortar and concrete. Serial number 90, IS 9799 1981 specification for pressure mortar for determination of air, cement content and freshly mixed concrete. Serial number 91, IS 1538820003 silica fume specification. Serial number 92, IS 14858 2000 requirements for compression testing machine used for testing of concrete and mortar. 93, IS 14687 1999 guidelines for the false work for concrete structure. Serial number 94, IS 14345 1996 specification for autoclave apparatus. Serial number 95, IS 13311 part 1 and 2 1992 methods for non-destructive testing concrete, part 1 ultrasonic pulse velocity. Serial number 96, IS 12870 1989 methods for sampling calcaline clay progena. 97, serial number 97, IS 12803 1989 methods of analysis hydraulic cement by X-ray fluorescence spectrometer. Serial number 98, IS 12600 1989 specification for low heat Portland cement. 99, IS 12423 1988 methods for calorimetric analysis hydraulic. IS code for lime and gypsum. Serial number 1, IS 712 1984 specification for building limes. Serial number 2, IS 1624 1986 methods of field testing of building lime. Serial number 3, IS 1635 1992 code for practice for field slagging of building lime and preparation of putty. 4, IS 15648 2006 specification for pulverized fuel as for lime porzona mixture of application. Serial number 5, IS 14860 2000 guidelines on fuel saving in vertical mixed feed lime shaft cleans. Serial number 6, IS 14401 1996 guidelines for handling and storage of building. Serial number 7, IS 13001 1991 guidelines for the manufacture of gypsum plaster in the mechanized pan system. Serial number 8, IS 2894 2002 specification for pulverized fuel as lime bricks. Serial number 9, IS 12679 1989 specification for title specification for byproduct gypsum for use in plaster blocks and boards. Serial number 10, IS 12654 1989 code for practice for use of low grade gypsum in the building industry. 11, IS 10772 1983 specification for quick setting lime porzona. Serial number 12, IS 10360 1982 title specification for lime porzona concrete blocks for paving. 13, IS 10359 1982 code for practice for manufacture and use of lime porzona concrete blocks for paving. 14, serial number 14, IS 10049 1981 code for practice for the manufacture of lime based. 15, serial number 15, IS 9498 1980 specification for inorganic aggregates for use in gypsum plaster. 16, IS 8272 1984 specification for gypsum plaster for use in manufacture of fiber plaster boards. 17, IS 6932 Part 2 1973 Methods of Test for Building Part 2 Determination of the Carbon Dioxide Content. Serial number 18 IS 6508 1988 Glossary of Terms Relating to Building Lime. 19 IS 5817 1992 Code of Practice for Preparation and Use of Lime Porzolana Mixture Concrete in Building and Roads. 20 IS 4139 1989 Specification for Calcium Silicate Bricks. 21 IS 4098 1983 Specification for Lime Porzolana Mixture. 22 IS 3115 1992 Specification for Lime Based Blocks. Serial number 23 IS 3068 1986 Specification for Broken Brick Coarse Aggregates for use in lime concrete. 24 IS 2849 1983 Specification for non-load bearing gypsum partition blocks. 25 IS 2686 1977 Specification for cinder as fine aggregates for use in lime concrete. 26 IS 2547 Part 2 1976 Specification for gypsum building plaster Part 2 per mixed lightweight plaster. IS code for building construction practice. Serial number 1 IS 15345 2003 Installation of Farmless Door and Window Shutters Code of Practice. Serial number 2 IS 15183 Part 1 2002 Guidelines for Maintenance Management Buildings Part 1 General. Serial number 3 IS 15183 Part 2 2002 Guidelines for the Maintenance Management of Building Part 2 Finance. Serial number 4 IS 15183 Part 3 2002 Guidelines for Maintenance Management of Buildings Part 3 Labor. Serial number 5 IS 883 1994 Code of Practice for the Design of Structural Timber in Building. Serial number 6 IS 965 1963 Equivalent Metric Units for KL Dimension Quantities in General Construction Work. Serial number 7 IS 1414 1982 Code of Practice for Fixing of Wall Coverings. Serial number 8 IS 1477 Part 1 1971 Code for Practice for the Painting of the Ferrous Materials in the Buildings Part 1 Petriment. Serial number 9 IS 1477 Part 2 1971 Code of Practice for the Painting of Ferrous Metals in the Building Part 2 Painting. Serial number 10 IS 1597 Part 1 1992 Code of Practice for Construction of Stone Masonry Part 1 Ravel Stone Masonry. 11 1634 Serial number 1634 1992 Code for Practice for Design and Construction Wood Stair of for Houses. Serial number 12 IS 1649 1962 Code of Practice for Design and Construction of Fuels and Chimneys for Domestic Heating Appliance. Serial number 13 IS 1834 1984 Specification for a hot applied sealing compound for joints in concrete. Serial number 14 IS 1838 Part 1 1983 Specification for perform fields for expansion joint in concrete pavement and structure. Serial number 15 IS 1905 1987 Code of Practice for Structural Use of the Unreinforcement Masonry. Serial number 16 IS 1964 1961 Code of Practice for Use of Fixing Device in Walls, Ceilings and Floors and Solid Structure. Serial number 17 IS 2110 1980 Code of Practice for In situ construction of walls in building with soil cement. 18 IS 2115 1980 Code of Practice for flat roof finish mud fusca. 19 IS 2116 1980 Specification for sand for masonry mortars. 20 IS 2212 1991 Code of Practice for brickworks. 21 IS 2250 1981 Code of Practice for preparation use of masonry mortars. Serial number 22 IS 2388 Part 1 1969 Code of Practice for finishing wood and wood based materials Part 11 Operation and Workmanship. Serial number 23, IS 2338 Part 2 1967, Code of Practice for Finishing of Wood and Wood-Based Materials Part 2 Schedules. Serial number 24, IS 2366 1983, Code of Practice for Nail Joint Timber Construction. Serial number 25, IS 2395 Part 1 1994, Code of Practice for the Painting of Concrete Masonry and Cluster Service Part 1 Operation and the Workmanship. Serial number 26, IS 2395 95 Part 2 1994, Code of Practice for the Painting of Concrete Masonry and Plaster Surface Part 2 Scheduling. Serial number 27, IS 2441 1984, Code of Practice for Fixing Ceiling Openings. Serial number 28, IS 2524 Part 1 1968, Code of Practice for the Painting Non-Ferrous Metals in the Buildings Part 1 Pre-Treatment. 29, Serial number 29, IS 2527 1984, Code of Practice for Fixing Rainwater Gutters and Downpipes of Roof Drainage. 30, Serial number 30, IS 2700 1987, Code of Practice for Roofing with Wooden Ceilings. 31, IS 2792 1964, Code of Practice for Design and Construction of Stone Slab over Joist Floor. 32, IS 2858 1984, Code of Practice for Roofing with Bangalore Tiles. IS 3140 1965, Code of Practice for Painting Asbestos Cement Building Products. 34, Serial number 34, IS 3414 1968, Code of Practice for Design and the Installation of Joints in Buildings. 35, Serial number 35, IS code IS 3548 1988, title Code of Practice for Glazing Buildings. Serial number 36, IS 5389 1969, Code of Practice for Laying of Hardwood Parquet and the Wood Block Floors. Serial number 37, IS 5390 1984, Code of Practice for Construction of Timber Ceiling. Serial number 38, IS 5809 Part 1 1975, Methods of Test for Clear Finishes of Wooden Furniture Part 1, Resistant to Dry Heat. Serial number 39, IS 6061 Part 1 1971, Code of Practice for Construction Floor Roof with Joist and Filter Blocks Part 1 with Hollow Concrete Filter Blocks. Serial number 40, IS 6332 1984, Code of Practice for Construction of Floors Roofs using precast doubly carved shell units. IS 6509 1985, Code of Practice for Installation Joints in Concrete Pavement. 42, IS 9472 1980, Code of Practice for Laying Mosaic Parquet Flooring. 43, Serial number 43, IS 9954 1981, Pictorial Surface Preparation Stand for the Painting of the Steel Surfaces. IS code for Structural Engineering. Serial number 1, IS 801 1975, Code of Practice for use in cold form light gauge steel structure members in general building construction. Serial number 2, IS 800 2007, Code of Practice for General Construction in Steel. Serial number 3, IS 803 1976, Code of Practice for Design, Fabrication and the Erection of the Vertical Mill Steel Cylinder Wooden Welded Oil Storage Tanks. Serial number 4, IS 804 1967, Specification of Rectangular Press Steel Tanks. Serial number 5, IS 805 1968, Code of Practice for use of steel in gravity water. Serial number 6, IS 806 1968, Code of Practice of use of steel tubes in general buildings and construction. Serial number 7, IS 808 1989, dimension for hot rolled steel beam, column channel and angle specification. IS 811 1987, specification of cold form light gauge structural steel sector. Serial number 9, IS 1173 1978, specification for hot rolled steel tubers. Serial number 10, IS 1258 1981, dimension of hot rolled steel bulb angles. 11. IS 1730 1989, dimension of steel plates, sheets, strips, flats for general engineering purpose. Serial number 12. IS 1732 1989, dimension for round and square steel bars of structural and general engineering purpose. 13. IS 1852 1985, rolling and cutting tolerance for hot roll steel products. 14. IS 1863 1979, IS 657 19, specification for hot roll steel bulb flash. 15. IS 1864 1979, IS 657 18, specification of hot roll steel L section for shipbuilding. Serial number 16. IS 2314 1986, specification for steel sheet piling section. 17. IS 2713 part 13 1980, specification of tubular steel poles for overload power lines. Serial number 18. IS 2750 1964, specification of steel scaffolding. 19. IS 3443 1980, specification of crane rail section. 20. IS 3908 1986, specification of aluminium equal leg angles. Serial number 21. IS 3909 1986, specification of aluminium unequal leg angles. 22. IS 3921 1985, specification of aluminium channels. Serial number 23. IS 3954 1991, hot roll steel channel section for general engineering purpose dimension. Serial number 24. IS 3964 1980, specification of light rails. Serial number 25. IS 4000 1992, code of practice for high strain bolts in steel structure. 26. IS 4014 part 1 1967, code of practice for steel tubular scaffoldings part 1, dimension of materials. 27. IS 53384 1985, specification of aluminium I-beam. 28. IS 5488 1987, dimension and dimensional tolerance for hot roll steel plates for ships hull structure. 29. IS 6445 1985, specification for aluminium T section. Serial number 30. IS 6449 1987, specification for aluminium bulb angles for marine application. 31. IS 6475 1987, specification of aluminium T-bars for marine application. Serial number 32. IS 6476 1987, specification for aluminium bulb plates for marine application. 33. IS 7205 1987, specification of aluminium T-bars for marine application. 32. IS 6476 1987, specification of aluminium bulb plates for marine application. 33. IS 7205 1974, safety code of erection of structural steelwork. 34. IS 7215 1974, tolerance for the fabrication of steel structure. 35. IS 7452 1990, specification of hot rolled steel sections of doors, windows and ventilators. 36. IS 8081 1976, specification of slotted section. 37. IS 8147 1976, code of practice for use of aluminium alloys in structure. Serial number 38. IS 8640 1977, recommendation of dimensional parameters for industrial buildings. Serial number 39. IS 12778 2004, hot roll parallel flange steel section for beam, columns, bearing pile, dimension and section of properties. IS code for doors, windows, shutters. Serial number 1. IS 15380 2003, molded edge high density fiber HTF panel door specification. Serial number 2. IS 14856 2000, glass fiber reinforced plastic GRP panel type door shutters for internal use specification. Serial number 3. IS 10521 1983, specification of collapsible gates. Serial number 4. IS 10451 1983, specification of steel sliding shutter top hang. Serial number 5 IS 10428 1983, ISO 801804 1972 glossary of terms relating to doors. Serial number 7 IS 6198 1992 specification of glazed brushed and the batten timber door shutters. Serial number 8 IS 4913 1968 code of practice for section installation and maintenance of timber doors windows. Serial number 9 IS 4351 2003 steel door frame specification. Serial number 10 IS 4043 1969 recommendation for symbolic design of direction of the closing and faces of doors windows shutters. Serial number 11 IS 4020 part 16 1998 part 16 screw withdrawal resistant states. Serial number 12 IS 4021 1995 timber door window ventilator frame specification. Serial number 13 IS code IS 4020 part 15 1998 title part 15 glue adhesion test. Serial number 14 IS 4020 part 14 1998 part 14 knife test. Serial number 15 IS 1038 1983 specification for steel doors windows ventilators. Serial number 60 IS 1081 1960 code of practice for fixing glazing material steel and aluminium doors windows ventilator. Serial number 17 IS 1361 1978 specification for steel windows of industrial buildings. Serial number 18 IS 1948 1961 specification for aluminium doors windows and ventilators. Serial number 19 1949 1961 specification of aluminium windows for industrial buildings. Just thank you.